In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Shopify affiliate program in a simple and easy way. Joining the Shopify affiliate program can be a fantastic opportunity if you're looking to earn some extra income by promoting one of the largest e-commerce platforms out there. To get started, head over to your preferred search engine, let's say Google, and type in Shopify affiliate. This search will guide you to the right starting point. You'll find plenty of resources available, but you want to look for the official Shopify affiliate marketing program link. It will typically be at the top of your search results. Once you click on this link, you'll be directed to Shopify's affiliate program page. Here, you'll get to understand a bit more about what being a Shopify affiliate entails. This page provides plenty of information about the benefits and requirements of joining the program. It's always a good idea to get acquainted with this information to make sure it's the kind of affiliate opportunity that aligns with your goals. When you're ready to proceed, find and click the Apply Now button on the page. This begins the application process and takes you to the next step. The button will direct you to a registration page on the platform they use to manage their affiliate program known as Impact. On this page, you'll see another button that says Sign Up. Click on this button to start creating your affiliate account with Impact. It's important to take your time here and ensure you are entering valid and accurate information. As part of the sign up, you will also be prompted to accept the program's terms and conditions. This is crucial as it outlines the agreement between you and Shopify as an affiliate. Be sure to read through these terms carefully and click accept once you're satisfied. Next, you'll see an option to sign up using your email or through another platform. This flexibility allows you to choose whatever's most convenient for you. If you prefer to keep everything linked to your email, click on the Sign Up with Email option. Here, you'll need to provide the necessary details like your email address and a few other pieces of information. After your sign up information is filled out, you will need to confirm your agreement again by clicking that you've read and accepted the affiliate program terms. These were recently updated in August 2023, so it's a good practice to revisit these details to ensure you fully understand your commitments. Once all of this is finalized, click Get Started. This will complete your application, and from there, you'll just need to follow any remaining instructions provided by Shopify to begin your affiliate journey. Congratulations, you've officially taken the steps toward joining the Shopify affiliate program, and you're now in a position to start earning by promoting Shopify. If you follow the guidelines and continue learning about affiliate marketing strategies, this could be a very successful partnership for you. Thanks for following along, and best of luck with your affiliate endeavors.